guys, welcome back to Handmade with me, Marianne, and, well, everybody.
It's a Christmas miracle. We're here at the HGTV headquarters studio.
Yes.
The whole team is here because we are bringing you so many new holiday DIY ideas.
And you know what they say, go big or go gnome.
And our Handmade team has gathered together to bring you all the Christmas cheer.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make 3 Christmas ornaments inspired by Scandinavian design.
I have 3 special gifts to make that are from the dollar store that everyone's gonna want.
Looks just like you.
I know. That's how I feel on the inside. Empty. Just kidding. Okay.
Okay, so welcome to my video. At this point, what am I trying to say?
So that looks about done. Looks like some really good creamy mashed potatoes.
Should I become the kind of person that decorates their bathroom for Christmas?
Are you thinking like bathroom tree?
Bathroom Christmas tree?
Oh my god.
This changes everything. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but gnomes are kind of everywhere this holiday season. They're definitely trending. Yeah, gnomes.
And the prettiest sight you'll see is the holly that will be on Marianne's front door.
Well, we are hard at work here decorating for Christmas. I think these ornaments look great on this tree.
Don't feel like all your stockings have to match. Just stay in the same color family for an eclectic and personalized style.
Guys, happy holidays!
Happy holidays!